people tend to think we need to have really close and direct contact all the time for us to be able to train and coach somebody up. Whereas like, this is the same thing you guys thought when you guys came in. You're like, I'm gonna spend time with this guy, spend time with this girl. And I'm like, it's really not really needed like that. Just make yourself available, keep yourself available for people. And then when they need stuff, they'll reach out. Yeah. And you got no problem reaching out, right, Julio?
Yeah, exactly. Everyone's always willing to help out. And, it's always good help too. It's always quick, instant, and yeah, it's always available.
Okay. Yeah, that's one of the things I talked about last week, actually, how it was really cool. Like when you first started in the field, you didn't even need to, you went through the normal training stuff, which is, really simple, basic. But the thing is, when you started running appointments, what was your method so you can figure out how to sell or what to show?
I just took a picture of all the meds, their budget, and just said, what do I go with? And that's it. And I mean, just from doing that and like seeing all the other messages in the group chat, you sort of learn how to qualify people. And you just have to take notice of that kind of stuff, and it start to come naturally.
So yeah, we have like a data sheet or an intake sheet where we take down the client's info, kind of get their age, their health, medical conditions, medications, and then at that point, then Julio used to just take a picture of it, post it on our group chat, which our group chat's pretty cool. Everyone kind of helps each other out, and everyone, as soon as someone sees something, probably have like 3 or 4 people respond all at one time.